are checking out My Medic. How's it going, Zeph?
Doing good. Just got to watch Steven land up at Sky Park Airport, and we're just going to take you guys through a tour around My Medic HQ.
So come on, let's go.
Cool. Our ground floor is going to be mostly all production and logistics.
So you assemble all of your kits here?
Yep. So everything you find in our kits is shipped to this warehouse, and will be put together by our in-house team.
Okay.
We're actually in the middle of rearranging things, so that's why our production,
so all your stuff
our warehouse teams
in large kits.
Yes, yeah.
And then you're able to assemble everything. So like these are the individual bags.
Correct. So yeah, everything from our gauzes to our medications to Band-Aids get shipped in here, and then we'll have our in-house team put them into their plastic bags if you're getting a med pack or the kits like you have in the helicopter.
A couple of those, so we've got those.
Yeah, so those all get put together here, and then we actually fulfill them from this location as well.
So if I ordered something online, it would be shipped from this location?
Yeah, shipped from this location. If you order it from My Medic, obviously we have a retailer and wholesale program, so obviously
there.
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Obviously, you guys have a lot of inventory. It's here. It's good.
Yeah.
Are you having issues with supplying? Getting some of your inventory and getting supplies?
Yeah, so supply chain has been difficult for sure, especially with the new products, because some of those are made overseas. So especially in the medical world, it's just the reality.
That's where they come.
So we have had some hiccups, but for the most part, our logistics teams does a really good job of projecting. We're able to get ahead of things, and then we have pretty steady business through most of the year, and then a couple of times.
You're able to also you can order a container of it much larger, rather than maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, you had to order smaller packages.
Totally. Because we do so much business, we're able to order in those large quantities.
And now if you have the larger warehouse, if you have an entire shipping container coming in of Band-Aids, you can store it somewhere.
Totally. Yep.
So the pandemic hit a lot of businesses hard.
Right.
So, but since you guys are in the medical side, did that actually benefit your business?
Yeah. I'm glad you asked that. So we actually saw 467% growth from 2019 to 2020.
Which is great.
Yeah.
For any small business to see that.
Awesome for us because, we were selling PPE, we were selling masks, we were selling gloves. I also think that the pandemic did a lot to help people realize that they're not prepared.
Exactly.
Some people,
the average person, they didn't have these things.
Totally. And some people, the toilet paper crisis of 2020. But in all reality, going to the hospital was a scary thing.
It was.
Right. So being able to take care of some of these minor injuries at home was huge for us.
Rather than having to, go to the hospital.
And risk exposure to COVID or anything like that. So 2020 was a huge year for us. I know there was a ton of businesses that were hurting, but honestly, for us, as tough as of a year it was for a lot of businesses, really helped us propel us into achieving our mission.
Well, it's a sensitive subject. Some people were harmed very badly from
Totally.
this. There's also businesses that shined from it and expanded, and that's what I want to feature. I want to show the businesses that were able to either pivot or just pure luck. We're in the right place at the right time,
Totally.
and there's nothing wrong with that.